welcome in, welcome back. Love and sunshine. I have a gold painting for you today. I'm going to put in some 50-50 gold silver, the supercell, and I'm going to swipe with white with the Floetrol. Please boop the like and subscribe button for me before we get started, and let's go. This is the gold that I used in the video that I'm going to link in a card here if you want to check that out. And this turquoise is the bottle of the Mont that I had from the video that I'm going to link here in this card. So if you're interested in checking those ones out, you can definitely do so. It's just a continuation of my experimentation with this turquoise supercell. I really didn't feel like it gave much in the way of cells, and I just was wanting a reaction from it either way. So we'll see what happens in this one. I'm hopeful and stubborn, and I'm got the good old titanium white with the Floetrol, just in case, because I definitely know that I'm going to get cell reaction with the use of the Floetrol. My intention is to swipe this with that, so I can just ensure that I'm going to get some pretty reactions on the paint either way. But I really love the color of this turquoise anyway, so it's not going to be bad. It'll all be fine. It's swipe time. I have my palette knife loaded with my titanium white Floetrol mix, and I'm just going to run it over the gold. Hello, boy. Cheeky boy came to see what I was up to, like usual. You funny boy. that gold, dried, beautiful sunshine with the Floetrol. The turquoise still didn't get cells. Yeah, never mind. The gold looks beautiful. The Floetrol left an amazing effect in the gold, so I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.